beyond the servers, subdomains. So we can individually install software onto one domain. So we can select some account, who knows what, and then it's going to give me what I need, and I can choose whether I want to put my installation on a subdomain or not. I could just put it right into the root. Okay. Or if it has an add-on domain, that's just the point of domain here. I mean, after all, if it's here, why has it got to be here too? Because then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, however many add-ons to choose from. And then, so if you did choose an add-on, this doesn't have one. As a matter of fact, let me choose one that does. Let's take a look at this one. I'll be right there. There it is. I've just got a lot of accounts on here. Okay, take a look. It's got add-ons. So if I wanted to create an installation on the root, I could do it. If I want to put it on an add-on, I can do it. If I want to put it on a subdomain for the add-on, I can do it. If I wanted to make it Chicago Plumber, you know. Okay. And then put it here, I can do it. Okay. Database. The database connection happens automatically. You can choose a random database user in name if you want, or just hand type in the ones you need if you need them to be specific. Whatever you want for a password, usually it's good to know what your password is to your database. So use some sort of format that makes sense to you for the database password. You know, hopefully others can't guess it, but you know what it is. Okay, it's just wise policy. All right, upload type, local file, repository. If you use a local file, then you can upload the files from your own computer. If you use the repository, then you can select whatever it is you already uploaded online. And since you can put unlimited files here effectively, you know, of course you'd run out of server space if you went for umpteen gigs of programs, but usually most people don't have that. They've just got a handful of programs that they have for offer for some number of meg each, you know. And so then you can go in there and deal with that. I can go up, I can go down into some other folder, you know, whatever it is, and I can choose whichever one I wanted from the list there, etc., etc. And so there are all these options for that kind of thing. If I want to put 50 template stack on somebody's panel, I can do it, and so on. There's a lot of ways to go. And then, of course, you can, you know, with your file repository, you can go and add new projects. So you can just keep uploading things in the different folders you create. Okay, and so it does all that. And here's your user password, and that works for us, for our software, because we build it to use a particular user password in a particular place, and we made it conform. And then there's the security key. If there's supposed to be a security key for the installation, especially if we have it, then that would go here and it would work. Email ID, that's your email address, whatever it is. And then you have connection file, if it's supposed to be called connection.php or something else. And then if you do have file content rules, you can go get them. And you can select the ones you want, minus that, select, and it'll follow those rules after it does the installation. So it'll install your standard installation, and it'll have some dummy inputs, for example, but then it'll follow your content rules to change the inputs after it uploads. Same with the database rules, right? If there's something that's supposed to happen inside the database that you need to change, then you can do that. And so you can say select some number of rules from there, and it can actually do all those rules, okay? Pretty powerful stuff. All right, what do we have coming off of that?